Hey everybody, John Osborne here with Basecamp Trading, and we're looking today for a video of the day. We're looking at Microsoft. Microsoft is pushing higher as we speak, and Microsoft's been pretty beat up since it went up, put this high up here back in October of 2025. You can see we fell all through this period, and it took until around the end of March before it started to turn around and head the other way. And that moved us up above a couple of other pivots, and then we pulled back a little bit, giving us this micro downtrend opportunity. We already tried to break out of it once, and now we've broken out twice. This time's a little bit different. With today, we found support at the 8 EMA right near that trend line, and we're pushing higher, setting up for a possible bull flag tomorrow. So this is a little bit further out here, possibly in a day or two, but it's worth watching for a break above 429.92. So we'll look at the 430 area or so, and it could be that we get a bull flag set up for Tuesday. That'll be a bull flag will be if we can break above Monday's high, that'll be today's high, and still maintain green histograms on MQ momentum or MQ super momentum. The beauty of this move is that we could go up and hit the target of the bull flag. That would be this high at 428.17, and then we'd have this resistance above that at 427.98, and then we'd have 429.92, and that's where things get even more exciting, because if we can get above this high over here at 433.70, then this will be our next one, which is the start of a gap fill. So there's a pretty good story here as far as where we could go. And that gap fill could go up to 482 area. And it's also worth pointing out that we're triggering a bull flag on the weekly. We triggered that last week. We're setting up for another one, but this first one here is interesting. The target of that bull flag is up at 433.70. So there's a lot of stuff going on here that creates a path should it start to move higher, and we might be seeing that move starting up now. So it's worth watching this, and I don't know if we're going to get all these things to happen all at once, but there is a possibility of several dominoes falling here. So we'll start by watching what's going on with the bull flag. If we get that set up for today, then tomorrow watching for a break above Monday's high. Right now that high is at 425.12. We still have a couple more hours left in this market, but watch for whatever the high is there, and we'll see if that's broken tomorrow. The first target would be the swing high before the bull flag setup. That'll be up at 428.17, and then we can see if it'll follow through on the additional dominoes that are likely to fall, or possibility of falling beyond that. We do have the 438.03 200 EMA just above us here. That also will be interesting to see how we interact with that. If you like this kind of analysis, go ahead and sign up for a trial. You can find more information about that link or where to join in the comments below.